welcome again. And in this tutorial, we want to discuss about key functions. A keyboard shortcut is a set of one or more keys that invokes a command in a software or an operating system. They are typically an alternate means for invoking commands that would otherwise be accessible only through a menu, a mouse, or an aspect of the user interface. Now, these shortcuts can expedite common operations by reducing input sequences to a few keystrokes. These shortcuts can provide an easier and quicker method of using computer programs. These commands are commonly accessed by using the alternate key on your PC computers, Command key on Apple computers, Ctrl key, the Shift key in conjunction with a single letter. There are shortcuts for every program and every application. In the previous lecture, we've used some shortcuts like the Ctrl O, the Ctrl and the N key, the Ctrl and C key, the Ctrl and the V key, which are used in some of the applications. When you're browsing, especially on your Google Chrome, there are some shortcuts that you can use also. When you're browsing on your Mac OS, there are shortcuts that you can use. We won't be taking all of those shortcuts one by one, but we just want to brush through these shortcuts and make sure that you understand the concept of using shortcuts while working. You need to note also that you can create a shortcut according to your operating system. If you're on a Windows machine or on a Mac machine, you can create shortcuts. Let us talk about how to create a Windows shortcut key. Open the folder or directory that contains the program you wish to create a shortcut for. Now right-click on the program and click Create Shortcut. This will create a shortcut and it's going to create this shortcut in the directory that you are in. If you wish to rename this shortcut, just right-click the file and click on Rename. Once the above steps have been completed, you can copy this shortcut and paste it anywhere to execute this program. You can paste it anywhere on your machine to execute this program. Now, once the shortcut has been created, you can assign a keystroke to that Windows shortcut. So how do you assign a keystroke? Right-click the shortcut and click on Properties. Click the Shortcut tab. Then click in the shortcut key box and press a letter. For example, if you press P, the shortcut will automatically be made Ctrl plus alternate plus P, which means that if saved, pressing Ctrl alternate P will run that shortcut. That is how to create a shortcut for your Windows operating system. Now, on your Windows machine, if you press the Windows key plus R, it's going to run the menu. It opens the run menu. Windows key plus R. The Windows key plus E opens the Explorer. The tab plus alternate, it switches between opens program, tab and alternate. The Ctrl Shift and Escape opens the task manager. I hope you understand this tutorial. If you do, thumbs up. If you don't, drop your questions in the comment section, and I'd love to see you in the next one.